see has been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down, and you keep on thinking you could save yourself, but that's love, that's just love.
Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and for today's journey we have a different activity. We will try to have running or jogging in this day, and I will try to see if my joints or my feet is already okay, because last time I ran and I'm still have or I am fat. That's why my legs and my feet getting faint. But now we will try to this day how many kilometers we can run. So thank you once again for joining me in my journey this morning. This is a running activity. So let's go.
Every time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better, you should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts and you end up getting burned, but sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love, that's just love. You will get back up again even if you don't know when, and it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Running and biking is very opposite way. When you are biking, still you are not exhausted even if you reach already far, but in running you're already exhausted even if it is still 1 kilometer. But sometimes also we need to have a little bit of twist or impact in our fitness and exercise. So continue. We will not go to the crowded road or in the highway, and we will run in the road that does not full of vehicles. First time I ran again for about 9 months. So appreciated that you are watching this video, and you can give us a thumbs up, and also you can help us by subscribing in this channel to let this channel grow. And if you want the updates, you can click the notification bell. So this is the difficult of running. Sometimes the road is not plain, and now we saw here the vacant land. We will cross this one to go to the one highway, but later on we will go again to another street. So here it is. So I will run in this desert, and you will see now I am getting sweat because the humidity is too high. But it's okay. We will continue this for our fitness journey. I'm very exhausted, and it is the first time going to this road. It's a desert road, but this is only near the city. We saw already the highway there, and we will continue after taking relax a little bit. We are here in the road and we will continue this jogging because no other place from there. I will try to go to the highway. In my previous vlogs, we found one footbridge construction, and now we already formed this one, and later on we can cross to that main highway. We'll continue to run in the street before we go to the another road.
Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now, need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching.
And I'm in the highway. It's about 2 kilometers already, and we will continue forward, but later on we will go right to run in the desert part. It's more good, wild and extreme running in the desert.
I keep on searching for my home.
Kind of little difficult to run here because the dust or the sand is a little bit soft, so you will fit is sinking.
Where the sun won't go away. Wide awake with an open mind.
Try to find the most harder area because it's very difficult to run. You feel your body's in too much weight.
Hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be.
We found here hard a little bit, and this time we can run fast.
Searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all.
We ran already 4 kilometers and returning again now to the way. And let's proceed to the east side and see also not only the running but the improvement for the pedestrian here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, Al-Shate. The one who is living in this area is very clever, and he plant vegetable over here. We have alugbate, okra, and also banana. There also some kind of lemon and chilies. It's very creative. See the banana he plant over here, and water spinach or kangkong. We need to find it. It's a bunch, this one. So it's a great. You can found the hub to plant the gutter of the street to make it useful. You see the banana. It's already. So we will continue to this area.
Don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. You're a born survivor, and you'll never find yourself in love. You're wise enough. I got troubles.
We also found one mangoes here and many fruits. Already the others has ripe.
So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and sit by a chance? Don't you want a man who fully understands?
The very nice thing of running, biking, any other fitness exercises can improve your mood, can make you more happy and not to easily get upset or angry.
So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and sit by a chance? Don't you want a man who fully understands, before he understands. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come?
The nice thing here is there is a bunch of improvements or construction that is going on, that it is benefits or beneficial for the pets, especially yung are doing exercise like this, like running and jogging or also biking. Now I will show you the benefits or the new constructions for the benefits of the running and biking here. Is we have now the good gutter and very wide. There's also kind of humps later on that you can easily cross the street. So I will run in this gutter until we reach our destination or our starting point for today.
And I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. Oh, no, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget.
The construction is still not finished. Previously here, this is a 3-lane, but they adjusted to become 2-lane. That the pits, look at the gutter, is very wide, and still we have to check the other area and to continue in our front what is other things we can see. Little bit exhausted. It was the first time we ran, but I think we can continue this one and giving our body more stronger. So next time we can mix our fitness with biking, running, jogging or walking. It depends on the situations, but it is very beneficial for us to do movements in our life.
Fix me inside. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah.
One experience you can have when running is you are not going too fast. That's why you can find another place like this.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away.
So it is a perfect art. The nice thing is we can run from here.
When you talk, I think you said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry.
Again, parking lot, and we will go to the dubs, mini dubs over here.
If you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
Appreciated that you are watching this video, and this is the end of our video this morning. And this is Prexyll from Prexyll vidz saying, leave your stress behind the road. Until my next video, goodbye.
Honest for a second, yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel